We are opposite Kangla Fort, where there was a massive protest going on. As you can see behind me, there is the RAF that has been deployed. Behind that, a cordon of CRPF has also been laid. And on the other side, if you can pan the camera and show our viewers, there are a group of students and locals who have gathered here, who wanted to actually march towards the Raj Bhavan and have been stopped. Tear gas shells were lobbed to disperse the crowd, but stone pelting, as you can see on the road, there are a lot of stones that are strewn across the road. In fact, on this entire stretch, and these barriers have also been placed by the students. A lot of them wanted to march towards the Raj Bhavan. In fact, the protest turned violent as the police clashed with the protesters, and a lot of them were also injured in the process. When we asked the students if they will speak on camera, they deny, accusing the police of torture, saying that if they speak on camera, they will be identified tomorrow, picked up, arrested, and will be lodged inside the prison. In fact, most of these students told us that they wanted to march towards Raj Bhavan to give a memorandum with their demands. Their demands being, number one, that the central forces should retreat from Manipur. Second, that strict action should be taken against the alleged Kuki militants. The SU agreement, the suspension of operations agreement, should be cancelled with the Kuki insurgent groups. And finally, that the Director General of Manipur, Rajiv Singh, and the advisor Kuldeep Singh should go back to Delhi from here. Now, this is the situation. As you can see, Suraj will pan the camera again. A lot of these students are students, locals, people from civil society groups are standing right opposite the Kangla Fort, wanting to march towards the Raj Bhavan, and the situation is getting extremely tense as the stone pelting can start any time. Just when we were here 10-15 minutes ago, the heavy stone pelting was on, and the forces had to resort to throwing of tear gas shells to disperse the crowd. This is Ananya Bharadwaj reporting from Imphal with Suraj Bisht for The Print.